Being a college student, you kind of get into the groove of doing things so mundanely, just tasks over and over and over again, kind of being ingrained into your cell phone. And this gave me the opportunity to get away from family, to get away from friends that I see on a daily basis, and to really connect with myself and connect with the environment.
Kind of taking a step back from normal day life and going into the backcountry and living outside for 24 days. It's a really humbling experience, and it's, I think, good for the character. And to do it with, a bunch of people your age who you go to school with made the experience even better. I only knew one or two people who were going on the trip, and not too well. And after the first couple of days, we were all really close, and I made some lifelong friends.
Getting the EVS 485 credit and the 6 course credits from UNCW, it was definitely a huge selling point, and of course it was about the experience. Like, again, I can't oversell Patagonia. The environment that we were in was just stunning. WFR is short for WFR, or Wilderness First Responder Certification. How it worked out with the course is the first 5 days of it was pretty intensive, where we were at our base camp in Kayaking.
Put one up here, and the very last one, this one takes 3, right up against the bottom of the foot.
In terms of whether you should do this trip, I say absolutely. NCOAE does an amazing job of organizing the trip and really setting you up to succeed in the backcountry. It's unlike anything you'd be able to do traveling by yourself.
We went to some pretty amazing, crazy places that I would never have been able to do in my lifetime before that. Places that nobody probably knows about, but the guide that we had was just very familiar with the area, took us to some places that even Chileans probably don't go to, and those experiences were probably the highlights of my life.
The goal here is actually work as a team.
My favorite part was the rafting expedition, where we did a 3-day expedition on the San Pedro River, which is this beautiful lake-fed river with crystal clear with volcanic rock all underneath it. So we got to float down the river and do some class 2, 3, and 4 rapids. We did some snorkeling on the river as well. And then at the end of the day, we just pulled our rafts to the side to the beach and made a camp, and spent the night on the river and talking about our experiences that day, and doing our daily meetings.
You're doing things that you love, and when you finish whitewater rafting through a class 4 rapid, you are proud of yourself and you're proud of everyone you're with. This is a trip that I would never have the opportunity to do again, and I got school credits and certifications and made the best memories I could ever make.
And in an environment that was so surreal, nothing like a regular classroom environment.
It feels any different, okay? About that?
NCOAE truly gave me an experience that was amazing, with a classroom outside in the woods, and the environment that Chile offers was probably some of the most memorable moments of my life, being with these people and these instructors that knew so much more and could give you so much of an experience, as well as knowledge that you can put forth. I would 100% recommend this trip. It was nothing like I've ever done before, and I would do it again if I had the chance.